Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to be going over this 24-inch Grelife tower fan heater. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting a heater fan. This is what I ultimately came up with, in which I got the Grelife tower fan. And so it sits at around 24 inches tall. It's got a nice base of support. And one thing I really like about it is that, let's first go ahead and turn it on. You've got the indicators here to show what mode is it on, what the temperature is, what time is left. You could also lock it as well. But it's also got this really neat lamp at the bottom to kind of give it a nice ambiance when it comes to nighttime. So with the remote, you can see right over here, you've got the power button, you've got the mode, you've got the lock button, you've got the increase or decrease in temperature. So right now I have set it to 87% or 87 degrees. You've also got different options here. If you want it to turn, you could also have it turn. If you want it to freeze, you can have it freeze. And you could also have it that it actually turns on and off the light that I was mentioning earlier. So there we have the light turned off, and then we have the light turned on. You could also set a timer for this, and it also has a touch control pad that you like what you see over here. So right now I've set it to 3 hours, but you could also use the remote in order to control this as well. So once it passes right back out, I'm gonna actually have it freeze and show you just a few more things regarding this heater fan. So if you actually stop it from swaying, it'll now freeze in place. Once you turn it off, it'll actually take a couple of seconds in order to turn off, just because everything seems to be winding down. Now the only thing about this is that it doesn't really have a safety mechanism in case it falls over. It's still gonna turn on, okay? So I've used other heater fans where if you lift this from the ground, it'll actually turn off. But this one in particular, you could actually carry it and it's still gonna be turned on. So with this 24 countdown, it'll then go ahead and shut off. But overall, I'd say for a heater fan, this really does a trick at being a good job at heating rooms up. I take this with me upstairs and downstairs, and it's absolutely phenomenal. The added remote, it just sits on top just like this here. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.